For today's video, we're going to show you how to cook curry eggs. And these are the ingredients that we have. We have the eggs, the boiled eggs, we have the garlic, we have the grated ginger, we have coriander stems, red bulb onion, we have the green pepper, the coriander leaves, tomatoes, and here are our spices. We have the tumeric, garam masala, paprika, cumin seeds, coconut milk, curry powder, tomato paste, cooking oil, and lastly the salt. For this dish, all you have to do, I'm adding the oil. Yeah, before we continue, as we wait for the oil to heat, let me tell you about this dish. This dish, we should have a thick paste. So I think our oil has heated, so I'm going to add my onions. Next, I'm going to add my cumin seeds. I'm waiting for the cumin seeds and the onion to cook. The onion should turn golden, so I'm going to leave it for almost two minutes, let's say so. As you can see, our onions have turned golden. I'm going to add ginger and garlic right now. My garlic and my ginger. Then next, I'm going to add the coriander stems. Let me reduce the heat so that I may use the medium heat. Let me stir. But the smell from these ingredients, so sweet. So next I'm going to add my tomatoes. I stir as I wait for them to cook. Next, I'm going to add my coriander leaves and green pepper. My coriander leaves, then my pepper. Though I prefer cooking my coriander leaves, though you can still put it at the end of cooking, but I prefer cooking them because I don't like them raw. So I'm cooking my tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add my tomato paste. Yeah. As you can see, it is starting to form the thick paste that you want. Next, I'm going to add my spices. I'm starting with turmeric, then garam masala, then paprika, my favorite. I always add a lot of paprika, I don't know why. Then my curry powder. I'm going to stir it, reduce the heat. Wow. Look at the pests. I'm going to crush the tomatoes which are yet to be crushed. Then next I'm going to add my coconut milk. So our paste is going on well. So next I'm going to add my eggs. Next I'm going to add my salt and stir. Wow. And our curry is ready. So let's serve.